Good morning to all. Today we will learn about how to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet in case of retirement of a partner. We have to understand with the question number 31. The question is Kanika, Disha and Kabir were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1:1 on 31st March 2016. Their balance sheet was in under. Kanika retired on 1st April 16. For this purpose, the following adjustments were agreed upon. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 years purchase of average profits of 3 years completed preceding the date of retirement. The profits for the year, the profits are given. Second adjustment is fixed assets will be increased to rupees 3 lakh. Stock was to be revalued at 120%. The amount payable to Kanika was transferred to her loan account. You have to prepare a revaluation account, partners capital account of the partners, and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. First of all, we have to prepare revaluation account. Fixed assets were to be increased to 3 lakh. Fixed assets is given the question that is 2,40,000, but in adjustment it is 3 lakh. It means fixed assets increases by 60,000. You will write by fixed assets count 60,000. Next adjustment is stock was to be valued at 120%. Stock is given in the balance sheet 1 lakh. 20% of 1 lakh is 20,000. You will write by stock. Stock also increases by 20,000. The total is 80,000. You will transfer on debit side 80,000. And you will write on debit side to profit or gain transfer to capital account. There are three partners, Kanika, Disha and Kabir. Kanika, Disha, Kabir. This amount will be divided among the partners into 1:1 ratio. 40,000, 20,000 and 20,000. After revaluation account, we have to prepare partners capital account. You will write partners name. Kanika, Disha and Kabir. Kanika, Disha, Kabir. You will write by balance BD, the capital balance of the partners given in the balance sheet 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 80,000 respectively. 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 80,000. After that, you will transfer profit of revaluation account to the partners 40,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Next, there is a profit and loss account in the balance sheet. You will write to profit and loss account. The amount is 20,000. You will distribute into ratio 1:1. 10,000, 5,000 and 5,000. Now adjustment of goodwill. The goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 years purchase of average profit. You write calculation of goodwill. Average profit is equal to total profits divided by number of years divided by number of years. The profits are given 1,30,000, 1 lakh plus 1,30,000, and profit and loss account balance in the balance sheet, that is 20,000. It is a loss minus 20,000 divided by 3, 1 and 130 minus 20, 110, 110 or 10, 1, 210 divided by 3, 3 721, it is 70,000. The average profit is 70,000. Now goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. Average profit 70,000 into number of years purchase given 2 years purchase, that is 1,40,000. This is the value of the goodwill of the firm, 1,40,000. Now you have to calculate Kanika share of goodwill, 1,40,000. Kanika share of goodwill 140 into Kanika share is 2/4. 70,000. We pass the entry gaining partners to retiring partners. Is gaining partner Disha and Kabir. Disha capital account debit, Kabir capital account debit to Kanika capital account, 70,000, 35,000 and 35,000. The new ratio, or we can say gaining ratio between Disha and Kabir is 1:1. Now we simply transfer to the capital account. You will write to Kanika capital account. You will write to Kanika. Kanika capital account 35,000, 35,000, and right side you write by Disha capital account and by Kabir capital account 35,000, 35,000. Now you will add all the columns separately. 35, 35, 70, 70, 40, 100, 110, 1,10,000. The total is 3,10,000. 3,10,000. It should be 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. Now you write to Kanika loan account 3 lakh. Now the last you will write to balance sheet 35 and 5, 40. You will deduct 40,000 from 1,20,000. You will get 80,000 only. After that, 1 lakh minus 40,000. You will get 60,000. This is the closing balance of the partners. In the last we have to prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet as at 1st April 2016. Liability, assets. In liability side, we'll write capital accounts. Remaining partners capital account, Disha and Kabir. Disha, Kabir, 80,000 and 60,000. It is 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Trade creditors 53,000. Trade creditors. Next, employee provident fund is there. Employee provident fund, EPF, 47,000. Next, Kalika loan account. The amount is 3 lakh. Now on asset side, you write bank, debtors, stock, and assets. $60,000, again 60,000. Stock 1,20,000 and assets 3 lakh. The total of balance sheet is 5,40,000, 5,40,000. That's all. I hope you understood. Okay, thank you.